So ako myself, Miss Janet, being in the industry and accompanying advisors when they talk to their clients, no, when it comes to retirement planning, isa nga yan sa mga laging na ilalabas, yung pwede bang retirement program or solution yung life insurance. So again, I take them back to the two laws which are very relevant to this topic. And if you read up on the law, ang sinasabi naman talaga dito, ang kailangan mong i-pay out sa kanila, pera, not anything else. Hindi property, hindi equipment, hindi shares. Hindi insurance. Ang nire-require talaga is pera. So if you want to be compliant with that one, yun talaga yung unang dapat isipin mo. Mabibigay mo ba yung pera doon sa mga employees mo? Now, where does life insurance come into place? Kasi yung mga life insurance products ngayon, meron na siyang investment component. So, in a way, mabibigay mo rin naman yung pera, di ba, doon sa employee mo. But the question is, magiging enough ba yung investment component ng life insurance when they get the retirement pay? Yan. Kung masasatisfy, edi walang problema. Pero of course, as a company, ang isa rin sa mga consideration mo is you're going to spend on the life insurance component. So, is that your priority? Is that okay with you? On the side ba, meron silang group life insurance? Kasi kung merong group life insurance on the side, then that will settle the part wherein you want to give extra benefits. Kung meron kang HMO, meron kang group life, then that can settle that. And you can take on the problem of retirement planning using a different program or different investment. Ganyan. So, those are the things that you have to consider. While insurance products can, of course, cater to this need, you have to assess them. Do you want to give out? What are the benefits that you'd like to give out? Kasi yung iba naman gusto nila magbigay lang ng yung nasa RA 7641. Ayaw nila magbigay ng extra benefits kasi hindi pa kaya ng company. So maybe hindi ito yung tamang solution natin for now. Maybe ang tamang solution natin would be a pure investment to meet what's required within the law. But for companies who are very generous and have the capacity to pay out extra dividends, or of course, considering the cost that's there, then of course, life insurance products can be a good solution for them. One more thing that you can also consider is the control. Paano ba yung setup ng life insurance policy? Kasi some companies also make the mistake na, okay, game sila, good deal sa kanila na magbigay ng investment and magbigay ng life insurance and magbigay ng health insurance. But the problem that they encounter is minsan ipapangalan nila, for example, dun sa employee. And then the employee decides to leave. Kahit wala pa sa usapan nilang 5 years or 10 years. Or the employee, ayaw niya na dun sa company, gusto niyang umalis. So minsan the company has no control. If that is their setup, the company will have no control. And yung iba, parang inisip nila, hindi ko dapat, sayang yung, hindi na-meet yung goal ko, hindi na-meet yung goal ng company. So those are the things that you have to consider, no? What are the benefits really that you want to give to your employees? What's your capability as a company to fund all of these? And what's the setup that you want to put in place so that you still have control over the retirement program?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, it is choosing the right product solution to meet your goal. And if, tulad ng sabi mo kanina, the goal is to have enough money, to have enough funds to pay out your retirees, then pera ang kailangan mo, no? So, ngayon na nasa product solution tayo, kasi this is how I explained it to those who ask me about this, no? Ang insurance kasi, kahit nasabihin mong may investment component yan, at the end of the day, it is first and foremost an insurance policy pa rin. And the insurance, the assurance that the insurance company is giving your beneficiaries is not free. You're paying for it. So, yung inatutulog mo sana na buong amount para savings para sa retirement pay, nababawasan pambayad sa insurance. Kaya hindi actually nami-meet 100% yung goal kasi nababawasan yung itinatabi mo. However, like what you've said, if generous naman ang payor, no, at gusto niyang bigyan ng isang produkto na merged lahat, insurance and savings, then why not? However, there are options out there that focuses on the saving and investing, no?